Hello to one and all present. My name is LAKSHAY and today I am an intern at LEXIS and Co. and I am a third year law student at New Law College, Pune. Today's topic is Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021. As we all know, juvenile justice is a very sensitive topic, and today we'll be covering in detail about what juvenile justice is and how the recent amendment bill passed in 2021 on July 28th affected it. Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021, which seeks to amend Juvenile Justice Act 2015, was passed in the upper house on July 28th. The original act came into effect in 2015 and replaced the Juvenile Delinquency Law and the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2000. The main provisions of the new act are that it will allow the trial of juveniles in conflict with law in the age group of 16 to 18 as adults. In case where the crime is not be determined, the nature of the crime and whether a juvenile should be tried as a minor or a child were to be determined by the Juvenile Justice Board. The provision received impetus after the 2012 Delhi gang rape, in which one of the accused was just short of 18 years and thus had to be tried as a juvenile. The second major provision, which has to be in regard to the adoption, bringing a more universally acceptable adoption law. Instead of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 and Guardians of the Ward Act 1890, which is for Muslims, although the act has not completely replaced the laws, it streamlined the existing Central Adoption Resource Authority, which has been given the status of statutory body to enable it to perform the function more effectively. Furthermore, the 2015 Act categorizes the offences committed by juveniles as heinous offences, serious offences, and petty offences. Serious offences include imprisonment up to 3 to 7 years. The bill further adds serious offences, which will also include for maximum imprisonment of more than 7 years and minimum imprisonment of no less than 7 years. The bill highlights that instead of traditional Juvenile Justice Act 2015, which states that the adoption for a child will be final after the issuance of an order by civil court, the same will be done by a district magistrate or additional district magistrate. The district magistrate will further have to carry out the background checks of child welfare committee members, who are usually comprised of social welfare activists and educated professionals. The magistrate have to check for criminal backgrounds to ensure that there is no case of child abuse or child sexual abuse if is found in any of the members that are appointed. The child welfare committees are to report regularly to the magistrate in the district on a regular basis. The bill will also take into account the juveniles between the age of 16 to 18 years of age, who will be tried as adults for possession of illegal substance like drugs or alcohol, which will fall in the ambit of serious crime. Although the amendments have been welcomed by most, it puts too many responsibilities on the district magistrate. The magistrate will be in charge of a lot of task forces and review meetings. Many fear that the Juvenile Justice Act will not work, as the magistrate will have to hold fortnight meetings with all 5 arms, which is CWC, JJ Board, CCI, District Child Protection Units, and Special Juvenile Protection Police Units. The magistrates will also have to undergo special training, as they are not equipped to deal with child protection rules. With that being said, it is going to be a tough road, but not one which cannot be wandered. My name is LAKSHAY and thank you for attending this.